If you want to completely uninstall Mozilla Firefox in Windows 11, including the leftover files that can stay behind after a normal uninstall, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. This is a simple method, and it's great if you want to free up space, fix browser issues, or do a completely fresh reinstall later. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, press Windows and R on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run Dialog box. This is one of the quickest ways to get to the classic uninstall menu in Windows 11. Once the box appears, type appwiz.cpl and then press Enter. This will open the Programs and Features window, where you can manage installed applications on your computer. Now look through the list of installed programs and find Mozilla Firefox. You can scroll down until you see it, and then click on it once to highlight it. After that, click the Uninstall button at the top of the list. Windows will now begin removing Firefox from your system. If any uninstall prompts appear, just follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the removal. Once Firefox has finished uninstalling, don't stop there, because some leftover files may still remain on your PC. To fully clean those up, press Windows and R again to open the Run box one more time. This time, type %appdata% and then press Enter. This will take you directly to the AppData roaming folder, where many application settings and leftover folders are stored. In this folder, look for the Mozilla folder. When you find it, right-click on it and select Delete. This step removes the remaining Firefox-related data that may still be stored on your computer, helping ensure a more complete uninstall. If you want to be extra thorough, you can also check that the folder is gone after deleting it. And that's it, Mozilla Firefox has now been completely uninstalled from Windows 11, along with its leftover AppData folder. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy how-to tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.